In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly add an Instagram feed to your Shopify theme in 2022. We'll explore two straightforward methods to achieve this: using a Shopify app for a no-code solution and manually embedding the code for those who prefer a bit more customization. Let's dive in. First, let's look at the no-code approach, which involves using a Shopify app. This method is ideal for those who might not be comfortable with coding or simply want a quick and easy solution. You'll begin by heading over to the Shopify App Store. Once there, search for apps like InstaFeed, Social Widget, or Add Instagram Feed. Tag Embed. These apps are specifically designed to integrate Instagram feeds with Shopify stores. So pick one that best suits your needs and install it. After installation, the next step is to connect your Instagram account. The app has a user-friendly interface that will guide you through this process. Simply follow the app's on-screen instructions. This usually involves logging into your Instagram account and granting the necessary permissions for the app to access your content. Once your Instagram account is linked, it's time to customize your feed. Most apps offer a variety of options to help you tailor the feed to match your store's aesthetic. You can choose a layout that fits your theme, customize colors to align with your brand, add interactive buttons, and select which posts you'd like to showcase. It's a chance to creatively display your Instagram content and engage your site visitors. Next, you'll want to embed the Instagram feed into your Shopify store. This typically involves copying an embed code or a widget ID provided by the app. Then, navigate to your Shopify theme editor and add a new section. You can use either a custom HTML section or a section specific to the app you've chosen. Simply paste the code into that section. Before we wrap up the app method, make sure to save your changes and preview your site. This ensures that the Instagram feed displays correctly and complements the overall look of your store. Now, for those who are looking for a bit more control over customization, let's discuss the manual embedding method, which requires some coding. Start by using a third-party tool like Tag Embed to generate the embed code for your Instagram feed. This tool will guide you through creating the code that showcases your desired Instagram posts. Then, go to your Shopify admin panel. Head over to Online Store, select Themes, and choose Actions. From there, click on Edit Code. Look for the appropriate template file, such as custom.liquid, especially if you want the feed on your homepage. Once you've located the right spot in your template, paste the Instagram feed code where you'd like it to appear. After inserting the code, it's crucial to preview your changes. This step ensures that everything appears as it should and functions correctly. Finally, save the changes to update your theme. And there you have it. Whether you've used an app or manually embedded the feed, you've successfully integrated your Instagram content with your Shopify store. This is a fantastic way to engage visitors and enhance the visual appeal of your site. Thanks for watching and happy creating!